What's up, guys? It's your girl Neesyraychelle, and I am back with another video. If you are new here, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because we have some stuff coming and I need y'all here for it. So go ahead and do that for me now, and let's get into this video. So y'all, this video is first of all my first content video filmed in my new apartment. So moving vlog is coming. I think I had a regular vlog. I had a lot of stuff coming this week, but yeah, so this is the first video that I filmed in my new apartment. So that's kind of cool because I haven't been able to like sit out in the open and film in a very long time, and this feels good, you know. So today we're going to be talking about native deodorant, because that video has been getting a lot of traction. So let's get into it. So everybody knows about Native. Native has become a very popular natural deodorant. So this one that I have is left over. This is the vanilla and sandalwood. First of all of their products smell very, very good. Like, everything that I've tried from them has smelled delightful. I don't sweat as much when I use their deodorants, and I don't get an odor when I use their deodorants. And I know a lot of people were having that issue with odor. I have not had that issue with them. The only issue I did have, so like 6 months into me using the deodorant, y'all, I developed a negative reaction to it. So like I almost got like a chemical burn under my arm, which I can't explain it. I don't know why that was my skin's reaction, but that was my skin's reaction. So I have not used native deodorant in about 6 months because I can't, my body, I can't use it, y'all. I want to be honest with y'all, especially since so many people are watching that video. I felt like I need to update y'all on my usage of the deodorant, and you know, if I'm still using it, how it worked for me, all of that good stuff. So like I said, it worked for me very well until my body said no. So like, y'all, I literally all of a sudden I started itching really bad under my arms, and at first I didn't relate it to the deodorant. Like, I didn't think that was what was happening. I didn't think it was the deodorant. I don't know what I thought. I don't know why I thought my underarms were itching. They were just all of a sudden itching. So I ignored it, and I'm out in public like secretly trying to scratch my underarms. And then after the itching, I noticed that I was becoming raw under my arms, and I don't know if I thought like maybe it was if I waxed myself incorrectly or something, because I do wax my own underarms. I'm a licensed esthetician. I do full body waxing, so a lot of the time I full body wax myself. So I'm like, no, that couldn't possibly be what's wrong. And I'm still, for whatever reason, not relating it back to the deodorant, y'all. Like, I just did not put two and two together. And then I don't know, I think one day whenever I went to Georgia, I had no intentions of staying in Georgia. Like, my plan was to go to Georgia for the service and come back to Florida. Like, that was my plan. But of course it got late, and my family is very protective, so it was kind of like, no, you just need to stay here. So I ended up using a different deodorant, and I noticed that I didn't have no issues with my underarms. Like, I wasn't itching or anything. And I said, you got to be kidding me, because I had pretty much just in bulk native deodorant in like bulk. I had bought like 4 of them, and they're like $12 a piece. So I was like, dang, I done bought all this deodorant and I can't even wear it. So y'all, that is my update on that. Like, I for whatever reason, my body chemistry, after a while I developed an allergy to it. So I still love the deodorant, y'all. Like, some days I look at it, I'm like, dang, I just want to put it on because I know it's good deodorant. But my and I probably sound crazy. I sound like these people that want these lashes and you ain't supposed to be wearing them. Oh my gosh, I sound like the clients. I be getting these clients and they want these mink lashes and they like, yeah, my eyes be itching. Baby, you cannot wear these. And now I sound like them because I want to put this deodorant on so bad because it smelled, y'all. I don't think I've ever had a deodorant that did all three. It smelled good and it kept me smelling good. It did not produce any sweat from me, and it didn't transfer, because sometimes deodorant will transfer and you'll have those white spots. Like, this did not do any of those three things. Like, it was perfect. And my sensitive skin decides, no girl, you can't wear this. Like, we not finna do this. Like, you want to wear natural deodorant? Think again, baby, think again. So y'all, that's that on that. I don't know, I think I started to feel a little guilty because so many people have watched my honest review of the Native deodorant, and it is my honest review, but I no longer use the product, and I felt it's only right for me to let you all know that I no longer use the product and my reasoning for not using the product. So again, it's a great product, it works very well. I just had an adverse reaction to it. That does not mean you will have an adverse reaction to it. It might work perfect for you and you may never have a reaction, and you may be able to use it every day, and if you can, I hate you. Like, I'm so jealous because I really love this product. But I did give Native a try with something else, and y'all, it's been a little over a month since I've been using this product. I have not had any allergic reactions. And like, my skin is taking well to the product. So I decided to try their body wash because, like I said, I love Native as a brand. Like, I really love this brand. I just can't wear freaking deodorant, and that hurts my heart. But I got their body wash in the citrus and herbal musk, and it's sulfate free, paraben free, dye free, and phthalate free. And this is what it looks like. And y'all, I really do love this body wash. Like, it smells, oh my gosh, it smells so good. It's that musk. I like citrus and musk like as notes and things anyway, so this just like, it set it off for me. This smelled so good. I smelled it in the store and I was like, yeah, I gotta get this. So the ingredients of this is water, cocamidopropyl bentane, and it's a cleanser derived from coconut oil. I'm glad they said that. I figured it had something to do with coconut because it said coca. Sodium chloride, sodium lauryl, sarcosynate, salt. It's cleansing salt, y'all. More coconut oil, the citrus and herbal musk, more salt, and food grade acid for pH balance. Because I'm not finna keep pronouncing these words. And y'all, it lathers really, really well, which that's always my thing, like with soaps, like if it's gonna lather well. Like, this lathered better than I thought it was. And I don't know, maybe I'm a little biased because I'm like, it's like a natural body wash, so it's not gonna lather like the other stuff. Y'all, it lathered very well. Like, you don't need a lot of it at all. Like, you probably can use like this much. Okay, they tearing stuff up upstairs. You could probably use like this much on your loofah or whatever you use to wash with, and I promise it's gonna cover your whole body and then some. Because I think I squirt too much out, and I be trying to get the soap out the loofah, and it be taking me forever. So 10 out of 10, definitely recommend. I don't feel like I've been stripped of my natural oils. Like, I feel clean, but I don't feel dry, if that makes sense. Because a lot of body washes and soaps in general can strip you of moisture, and this doesn't do that. And I really love that because I have eczema prone skin. My skin is very sensitive, so things that dry it out are not good for me. This does not do that, and I'm very appreciative of that because that makes my life a lot easier. But other than that, y'all, like, that's all I had for this. This is like a really quick to the point video. Again, I just wanted to feel like I was being honest with you all, because the video literally says my honest review, and with me not updating you all, I felt like, dang, I'm kind of lying to these people because I'm not even using this stuff no more. So I really wanted to come out and let you all know what the deal was with the deodorant. If I could wear it, I definitely would. Like, I tried. I literally was like putting what is it, Benadryl, or what is this stuff, cortisone. I was putting cortisone on and still putting the deodorant on. Like, I tried to make it work, y'all, because I like the deodorant that much. But it don't work for your girl, and I hope it works for y'all, because like I said, y'all eating the video up, and I'm so grateful for y'all watching it and looking at what my honest review was on it. And I really hope it works for y'all, because I'm sad over here. But that's all I have for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And your girl is having a sale on the body scrubs, butters, and oil, so go ahead and click the link down below in the description box so you can, you know, order you some product. And also, I will tag these lashes because I keep getting asked where I get lashes from. I'm gonna put those down below in the description box as well. That's all I have for y'all. I love y'all so much. Thank you for watching, and always stay chic, babes.